Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix lag on your PlayStation 5 so you can enjoy smooth gameplay. First, check your internet connection. Lag is often caused by slow or unstable Wi-Fi, so try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a faster and more reliable signal. Next, close any background downloads or apps running on your PS5. These can consume bandwidth and system resources, slowing down your games. Make sure your system software is up to date. Go to Settings, System, and select System Software Update to ensure your PS5 has the latest patches and performance improvements. You can also clear the cache by turning off your console completely, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. This helps resolve temporary performance issues. Finally, check your game settings. Lowering resolution or graphics settings in online games can reduce lag if your connection or console is struggling. By following these steps, your PS5 should run much smoother and provide a better gaming experience. Subscribe the channel for more videos.